Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today's topic is all about toy organization. To me, this topic is super important because if I do not have my kids' toys organized, clutter-free, then my head just feels cluttered. It doesn't feel positive. I just feel like I can't focus, I can't think. So to me, I make it a big priority to organize my kids' toys just so that I can wake up in a positive mood and not be like super cranky all day because there's so many toys around the house. Now keep in mind, none of these storage solutions are fancy whatsoever. I feel like you don't have to spend a whole ton of money just to organize your kids' toys. It's pretty affordable and I feel like anybody can get their hands on these storage solutions. They're actually tried and true. I've been using the same things over and over for years, ever since my daughter was 2, and I can't believe it, she's gonna be 7 next week. But yes, I've been using it for years, so I know that they really work. And again, they're not fancy, they're just very practical. So if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a like, comment down below letting me know which one was your favorite storage solution, or if you have any other favorites that you might want to share with other moms out here on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos. Let's jump right in. I'm going to begin by showing you our downstairs play area. We don't have a playroom, so we're just using this little corner of the house to keep all of their toys. I pretty much try to keep this area very minimal just because this is the first thing you see when you come into our house. So if I have too many toys down here, it just becomes an eyesore when you come in. This storage unit is from IKEA and I absolutely love it. It used to be my daughter's when she was younger, but it's slowly transitioned for my son. He has a lot of his Legos in here, the train tracks, his blocks, just things that can get easily lost when they're just combined in a big box. And my favorite part, because everything's sorted, cleanup is a breeze. Because I try to keep this corner very minimal, the rest of the toys are stored in their rooms. Moving on to my son's room, I'm a huge fan of cubbies because you'd be surprised how many things you can actually hold in here. In here I have his larger trucks, some other play sets, as well as his books. And for this type of unit, I really like using bins that you can see right through them for easy access. If the toys are enclosed in a solid bin, there'll probably be a bigger mess just because your kids are probably going to be scavenging through all of their toys looking for one in specific. So by having bins that you can see right through them, it helps them get to the toy they're looking for. Therefore, it helps to tame the mess a little bit more. I'm currently not using these little drawers for toys because we went through a major declutter right before Christmas. So there's room to grow. So maybe when he gets toys for his birthday and so on, they'll probably be stored in here. But these are great also because they're transparent and they can see right through them. As far as plushies, I like to store it in this metal wire basket. This one in specific is from Target, but I'll try to link as many of these as I'm mentioning down below in the description box. If you're looking for more decorative bins or baskets, I usually go to Home Goods or Marshalls for these because they're super affordable there and you can find some really cute ones. This one is from Home Goods and I just like the soft material of it, and I can conceal all of the other random toys that really don't belong in a certain bin or category. This is where I stick it. It hides everything and still looks pretty at the same time. Moving on to my daughter's room, I'm going to show you how I keep her toys organized. If you have the space for under bed storage, I highly recommend it. It has saved me so much space inside her actual toy closet. So here in one of them, I have all her Barbies, and you can see how many Barbies these actually hold. In the other one, I have all of her Barbie accessories. Now these little white cubes, they're actually drawer organizers, but they are great for storing Barbie clothes as well. She absolutely loves the idea of having all of her Barbie clothes sorted into categories, and in my opinion, I just think it makes playing much more fun just because she doesn't have to stop and think, okay, where is this dress or where is this Barbie bottom? She knows exactly where to go when dressing up her Barbies. We also have this, I'm not really sure what it's called, but it has little compartments and it works great to store smaller toys. In here we have her Barbie shoes, everything is sorted. We also have another one of these to store all of her Shopkins. I know these things can get super annoying because they're so small, but this container keeps everything very nice and tidy. In the future, I see myself using these for smaller Lego pieces. These pencil boxes also work great for small toys. I believe I got this for like 99 cents on sale at Target. It keeps all those itty bitty toys contained in one box. As for Mia's toy closet, we pretty much have a combination of different storage bins in here. They're just bins that we've collected throughout the years. The colorful bins at the top are from IKEA, and then the rest are just clear shoe boxes that I picked up at Target. Here's where I store all of her toys. For example, I will store all of her dollhouse furniture in one, maybe her baby stuff in another, and so on. They're just great because, again, they're clear. She can see right through them, so if she's looking for something specific, she can easily grab it. At the bottom of her closet, I store some larger toys. I have these bins. They're pretty beat up already. I've had them for years, but they get the job done. In one of them, I have all of her Shopkin accessories, and then in the other, I have her Barbie dollhouse accessories. Just like in Matthew's room, I stored Mia's plushies and dolls in this metal wire basket. I got this one at Hobby Lobby, and for being a wire basket, this one is super sturdy. Alright you guys, and there you have it. This is exactly how I store my kids' toys. I hope you found some of these storage solutions very practical so that you can use them yourself at home. My kids love playing. I mean, they can play for hours. So I like to keep their toys very handy, easy reach, but at the same time keep everything nice and tidy. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like it, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.